Hey everybody, this is Mike with Accounting for Cycling. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some, well, spring cleaning new to me products at least. Some of them are actually new in general. So part of this shipping label here that I actually was able to get off in one pull. Magic, with the help of my knife. Handy dandy Gerber. So what is hidden inside of here is actually my spring cleaning haul from SILCA. So kind of their biggest thing as of late is they released a new tire sealant for running tubeless. It's kind of cool, which I have got right here. SILCA Ultimate Sealant with injectable fiber foam. Pretty cool. Yeah. That means I can stop using my orange seal, which, I don't know, was fine. It worked okay. What didn't work okay, though, was the orange seal rim tape. That stuff sucked. Got rid of that. Switched over to my Muck Off, which is still on there, actually. Working great. Muck Off, also a brand affiliate of mine, as is SILCA. So I'll have links for all this stuff down below. Picked up a big bottle of the Ultimate Chain Stripper and Wax Prep, mostly because I waxed my chain last summer, which I have a video of. It'll be down below too. This stuff works great. Gets all the factory lube off. Highly concentrated, quick, easy, single step. It's awesome. This is just brake and drivetrain cleaner. This, most, if not all of you, have never been in my bathroom. I don't think I have any videos that show the back, like the, what is it, like the hand towel rack thing in my bathroom. But there's this, and then there's also drivetrain degreaser by Muck Off. They're like sitting side by side, both ready to be replaced. So that's what I've got here. They're all kind of set, ready to be redone, so I decided to pick these up from SILCA. And then also, not that mine's in terrible shape, but every couple of years you should refresh your bar tape. So I've been wanting to check out their Nastro, you know, for us in the Midwest, Nastro Cusino, I don't know. It says world's most comfortable. We'll see. I ride a Specialized Roubaix, so I'm all about comfort. Right now I've got the service course by spacing on by who. It'll probably be like right above my head of like, yo, idiot. This is by who. But yeah, it's worked well for me for 3 years now. It's probably nasty and disgusting underneath there. Zip service course. I just looked at the cover for the electrical tape. My bike's right next to me. So yeah, anyways, brake and drivetrain cleaner. It's easy, turns red. I do have videos, or videos, of my wheels and tires getting cleaned in the shower. That's with this stuff. It actually does a good job of getting soap scum off your shower too, as well as if you have calcium, lime, and rust. So, fun fact. Chain stripper. Haven't tried this on calcium, lime, and rust, but yeah, I don't know. It works nicely. Have not tried this yet, but I got the 1 liter bottle because it's huge and will likely be all I will need for this year, next year, and a couple of years. I heard great things about SILCA's last formula. Aside from that, it took a little more maintenance, and I'm all about low maintenance for my tubeless. That's actually why it took me so long to switch to tubeless. Plus also lower freezing point. And being here in Wisconsin, I don't ride my road bike outside in the winter all that often, but if I were to, I'd like it not to freeze and have my tires explode. And then of course too, the new bar tape. I don't know, look cool. I was back and forth between the black on black, or they have this like cyan blue stripey stuff. I'm also trying out my new continuous operation light, cob light. It is here. It is cool. It makes my skin glow. Also, you'll notice that this is being recorded with the DJI Mic Mini. The brake drivetrain, the SILCA Ultimate Brake and Drivetrain Cleaner, I can wholeheartedly recommend. I've got a bottle that's almost used up in my bathroom right here. It's actually still got a fair amount left in it. Weird. It's a different color. Made it almost the line that says almost out, order soon. Anyways, this is the step 1 clean. They have a whole cleaning kit which gets you step 1 through 4, which is like clean your brake and drivetrain, wash your frame. Yeah, I don't know. And then it's like wax, protect, all that kind of stuff. So this will be replaced with this. This one, you actually just kind of like drip on, and it just kind of like drips onto your chain. So pretty cool. That and wax chain is incredible. It is dead silent. I'll have links to all of this in the description down below, as well as a few of the other SILCA products that I use on the regular, as well as links to my other SILCA unboxing, unbagging videos, including my Matone Grand set bag, and then also multi-tool, the Italian army knife. So check those out. If you like this video, drop a like, hit subscribe. Let me know if you use any SILCA products, what your favorite ones are. If you have any alternatives, what your favorites are. Anyways, thanks so much for watching today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.